Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we will be making a simple and easy Sabudana or Sago or Javaraisi papad. Now this I am making it in a slight variation as a tomato vadam, tomato papad, because the children really love this taste. Come, let's see how to make it. Here I have soaked the Sabudana or Sago overnight. I took 1 cup of this Sago, this cup, and added 2 cups of water. So whichever cup you take, it doesn't matter. Use the same cup for measuring the Sabudana as well as the water. So for 1 cup Sabudana, 2 cups water, it has soaked overnight. Now with the same cup, add 4 cups of water into a heavy pan and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, I have taken 1 ripe red tomato and cut it and add it to your blender jar. I am adding 2 dry red chillies, a teaspoon of crystal salt. Now we will grind all these together into a paste. The water is boiling now. Now add this ground tomato and red chilli to it. Also add a large pinch of hing. Next, add in this soaked sabudana and allow it to cook till the sabudana becomes transparent and glassy in appearance. It should be well cooked. Keep stirring it from time to time. Since we soaked it overnight, it cooks very fast. Can you see? It has already become transparent and well cooked. But we like continue to cook because we want a thicker consistency. It has boiled well and started to thicken now. When it is thickened to this stage, we will switch it off because we are going to allow it to cool. On cooling, it will still thicken further. See, I have transferred it into this container for cooling. Now I am adding about half a teaspoon of Jeera, that is cumin seeds, to it. We will wait till it cools down. See, it has cooled down now and this is the required consistency. Now I am just squeezing half a lemon into this for taste. We are ready now to go and keep it out in the sun to dry. Just wipe the place well with some water. I have already washed it well. Now choose a spoon of a size which you want to make the vadam or papad, whichever way you call it, and just keep spoonfuls of it like this. No need to spread it out or anything. Let it just spread on its own. Keep them like this. That's all. It is just child's play. Anybody can easily make this. I am only making small quantities as samples for you, because if you are a beginner and you are also interested in trying it out, then you can try out with small quantities like this. This also needs to dry out in the sun for minimum 3 days. After 2 days, you can remove it from the cloth or sheet and reverse the side and again allow it to dry. If you don't want to have the tomato flavor, then just avoid it, and instead of red chilies, you can grind 2 to 3 green chilies and proceed with the same process only. It will be white in color, that's all the difference. and kept it for 3 days in the sun. On day 2, just reverse the side, again add all it to dry, and on third day it was totally dry. Now we are ready to fry it as usual. The remaining Sabudana Vadam or Javaraisi Vadam I have kept in my Ziploc bag for storing. See, they are frying so well and increasing in size too, and you get the light pinkish color of the tomatoes, and of course the taste also will be very good with the tomato taste in it. See, perfectly fried Javaraisi or Sabudana Vadam. Absolutely crunchy, crispy, tasty Vadams. As always, be cautious with the quantity of salt you are adding to this Sabudana or Sago batter. Let it be slightly less, because on frying you will find it to be more salty. And also when you are drying it out on a cloth, you just have to reverse the cloth once it is dry, reverse the cloth, sprinkle some water on it, and then you can slowly peel out these papads or vadams easily from the cloth. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.